Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you friends one of the way how you can actually increase the 4G data speed in this Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. So there is an issue with the Poco X3 device that whenever you get the very low signal, you'll be receiving the very slow internet speed. So it doesn't matter if you're using 4G, but still you will be getting very low signals. But right now, I already did a couple of videos on that how you can actually increase the speed, but a few of them did work and few of them are not working. But here is another application which I'll try to use in this video just for the demonstration purpose friends. So as I said, I cannot guarantee the speed will actually increase, but definitely let's try, let's hope for the best that this kind of application should work. But let's see friends, so let's give it a try. And recently I came across this kind of application, and I think I am using this application for the past 1 year, this 1.1.1 application, so which actually sometimes, so it not always, sometimes it does increase your internet speed sometimes. So as I said, it's not always friends, only few times. So right now let me try to disable the Wi-Fi connection and turn on the 4G data. So right now I'm using the 4G idea network. So this was the idea network I'm trying to use. So let's see friends. So first I'll try to do the speed test. So let's see. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of what live wallpapers I'm using. So let me try to quickly open the speed test application here. So let's see. So this is a speed test application which I'm trying to use, and I'm trying to use the 4G connection as well. So right now I want to test this 4G speed without using any kind of application. So first without using any application, and next I'll try to use that 1.1.1 application, and then we can compare the results side by side. So let's see, is there any improvement in terms of the speed or in terms of the ping value on all those things, latency. So everything we will be able to see it here. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting the 4G speed, so 4G idea speed. So you can see the signals is about 3 bars only. So ping value 84 milliseconds, and the jitter you can see here 6 milliseconds speed, you can clearly see. And upload speed I'm getting about only below 1 Mbps only, I'm getting upload speed. As you can see here friends. So now I'll try to use that application 1.1, and we can compare actually side by side the results. So let me try to take the screenshot. So I've taken the screenshot here, and now let me try to go back to that application and open this app, and let me try to enable this application. So I'm trying to enable this. I have created, as you can see friends. So it's connected, and now let me try to open the speed test application. So let me try to test what will be the results are. Even I am very curious to see the results for myself, because I did see a couple of videos online and a couple of reviews that this application 1.1 sometimes it does help in terms of increasing the speeds. But let's see friends, what will be the results for ourselves. So 16 Mbps what before, now it increased to 21 Mbps, it increased. So 24, as you can see here friends clearly. So it's going up and down, I can say definitely. So you can see 21, 22, 25, 26 Mbps. So without using this application, I was able to get 16, but upload speed. So these were the results you can clearly see for yourself friends. So before it did not even cross 1 Mbps. So if you notice, it did not even cross 1 Mbps, it was about 0.80 and 0.90 Mbps, but right now it was able to reach 3 Mbps of speeds. You can clearly see here friends. So let me try to take the screenshot. So now I've taken the screenshot, and let me try to compare side by side. So this is a screenshot friends which I have taken without using any application. So you can clearly see there is no VPN activated, nothing. So it was running on the 4G idea SIM, as I said. So 16 Mbps is the speed results, and upload speed 96.96, as you can see. So this is with the application which I have used. You can clearly see the VPN, and you can see the results for yourself. The results got really increased from 16 Mbps to 26 Mbps. So upload speed got increased double. So 2 times and 3 times it got increased, and download speed only increased by 10 mbps only. So there's not much difference happening in the download speed. But definitely friends, this application, I think it might able to work. As I said, I cannot guarantee in all the circumstances, but still, if you are experiencing low signals, so definitely try to install this application, and then maybe you might be able to get a little bit kind of faster network. So that's what I was hoping for. But one thing is that it's not consistent, it's not consistently high, so it's going up and downs. You can see your friends clearly. So these were slightly, I'm a little bit worried. So before it increased all the way up to 26 and 24, and now it got again decreased, as you can see here. So if you don't use this application, the results are same in straight line. It was consistent, so it's not going up and it's not going down. So sometimes, as you can see friends, right now I'm not getting that good speed, but occasionally you will be able to get very good speed internet if you're using this kind of application. So hopefully friends, they might be able to fix in the next upcoming versions. But still, if you're having the Poco X3 and you tried all the methods and everything, it doesn't work, then definitely you can give this application a last go and final go. So right now you can see it was consistently maintained in the straight line. It was about 18 mbps, even though it's still better than the 16 mbps which I'm getting. And the upload speed is also consistent. I'm getting in the straight line. So this is what I'm expecting friends, which to be in the straight line, not going up and not going down. So as you can clearly see, I've done so many times testings, and every time I did the testing, all the 3 times the results were completely higher than than the normal 4G data. So that is what it is. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me friends regularly, and don't forget to check the links in description for live wallpapers of what I'm using in all of my phone videos. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.